Wow, it's wrong! Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make this rainbow string gummy. Look at this package! I'm so excited to make a 60 centimeters long colorful gummy. On the back, we've got the instructions. Let's open it up right away. Inside, we have 3 colors of gummy powder, a spoon, and a tray for making the gummy. So cute! First, let's cut apart the tray. It comes apart easily, so satisfying. Then, fill each section with water up to the inner line. All 3 sections. Now, pour the gummy powder into each one. Let's start with the yellow. Mix it well. It dissolves quickly and becomes a little thick. Next, the blue. There's quite a lot in the packet. Wow! It turns into a very vivid blue once it mixes with water. Now for the red. Pour it all in. It's a bit more like pink than red, isn't it? Mix it well. Now we've got bright red, blue, and yellow. So colorful! Once all 3 are mixed, it's time to warm them up in the microwave, just for 10 seconds. They are heated. It's hard to tell if anything changed, but let's start them again. It's a bit of extra work, isn't it? After mixing, we warm them one more time for another 10 seconds. I wonder why we have to heat it twice. Now they are warmed up again. Did anything change? Now let's pour the colorful gummy liquid into the mold little by little, starting with yellow. Carefully so it doesn't overflow. Next is red. Where the red and yellow meet, it's turning orange. That went better than I thought. Let's keep going. Oops, a bit hard to see. Sorry. From the top, you can see the red and blue making purple. So pretty! I'm excited! I'll keep pouring it in. The gradient looks even better than I expected. Beautiful! I thought it might overflow, but it's actually pretty easy to fill. This is fun! Let's use up all the liquid. No waste. It's turning into a true rainbow gradient. So gorgeous! I can't wait to see what this gummy turns out like. Now, let's chill it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. It's done! I wonder if it's set properly. Super pretty! Let's take it out. I'm kind of nervous. Oh no, it's sticking to my hands and hard to pull out. Gently pull it up from the edge. Let's fast forward a bit. Wow, it's wrong! The gummies are sticking together, which makes it tricky. But I managed to get it out. Let's try rolling it up. It's transparent, colorful, and super pretty. I've never seen such a long gummy before, so it's a little hard to handle. Let's give it a taste. いただきます。It's grape soda flavor. Delicious. It has a nice chewy texture. This channel features other gummy making kits too, so check them out. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!